So we're going to compare our answers to the Microsoft answers. Then we'll go on to the next story. They have 5 strategies for the way forward. One is create a plan to empower people for extreme flexibility. And they have, and by the way, I'm just going to recommend people download this. This is a really good study. It's the Microsoft, what do they actually title the thing? Microsoft Next Generation Disruption is Hybrid Work. Are we ready? It's the Work Trend Index for 2021. It's loaded with great information. So that's number one. Number two, invest in space and technology to bridge the physical and digital worlds. They say upwards of like 50 to 60% of organizations are redesigning their workspace based on what's going on in the virtual world. That's it. Combat digital exhaustion from the top. So leaders have to be a part of really addressing that digital exhaustion. Prioritize rebuilding social capital and culture, reframe network building and team bonding from a passive effort to a proactive one, and then rethink employees' experience to compete for best and most diverse talent. And that's going to be the interesting thing. We have some opportunities to recruit really from anywhere.
Yeah.
Depending on the work environment we set up. But we also have to be aware that people we only used to have to worry about them being recruited away from the hospital system down the street. Now we have to worry about them being recruited from any hospital in the country.
Yeah. Well, and I mean, I don't want to change the course of this report, but if you combine that with what all the disruption, right? Because now, you're competing with workforce from the hospital down the street. You're also now competing with all these disruptors, like these big tech disruptors and these new models that have popped up, Amazon Care, where all of those patient surveys show that convenience trumps loyalty to your health system. So it is like we're at a critical point of really needing to shift the whole way that we think about healthcare, our workforce, how we deliver it, because these industry drivers just didn't exist a few years ago, and it's an interesting time.